You think you are a game developer because your projects look like this. But the second you close YouTube and open a blank screen, your brain goes dead. Complete short circuit. Welcome to Tutorial Hell. You're not learning, just copying. I wanted to build my own dreams, not copy someone else's, so I banned myself from YouTube for exactly 2 weeks. No videos, no code copying, just me and a blank engine. Instead of asking AI to write me a script, I asked for the logic, a codeless blueprint. I wanted to know what needed to happen, but I forced myself to figure out the how in the engine. This is where real game development starts. It was brutal. At first, I spent 20 minutes reading the official documentation. But every time I failed, I actually learned why it didn't work. I wasn't just fixing a script, I was building a mental map of the engine. By the end of the week, I had a working prototype. It wasn't the best game, but it was my game. I wrote every line of code, just pure, independent development. And that feeling, that was what I want to give everyone that chooses ID for. But then, I had a bit of a bad moment. I didn't know what to do in my game. It just didn't work. So I went to bed. And the next morning, when I woke up, I had an idea. I knew how to fix it. I implemented it and it worked. That was my huge breakthrough. And that exact breakthrough is the entire reason behind ID Forge. I didn't just want to build another game. I wanted to build a tool that gives other developers the exact same experience as I had. A place where your ideas don't get lost in the chaos of your mind, but actually get forced into something real. If you are tired of being a human copy-paste machine, it's time to step out of tutorial hell. Stop copying, start building. ID Forge is designed to turn you into an independent game developer. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment with your ideas for the app and follow for support.